Hello, my name is Lindsay Walker.
And I'm Kathy Galford.
And we're 6th grade co-teachers at Greenbrier Middle School. And we're here to share with you a variety of ways that we assess our students. Our students are assessed through ongoing pre-assessments, formative assessments, in addition to traditional summative assessments.
Right, and these assessments are used all throughout our lesson to assess what the students know about what we're getting ready to teach as a pre-assessment, and also as a formative assessment to gauge what we've already taught and their understanding of that. We use entrance tickets and exit tickets. We like to do sorts. Sometimes they're sorting cards at their tables. Sometimes they're actually physically moving their place to different locations in the room to show their answer. We use hand signals such as thumbs up or thumbs down, sometimes doing the letters of the alphabet to show what they know. Writing answers on post-it notes that are placed in different locations throughout the room. They do surveys, writing on charts throughout the room, and a lot of times we have the students stand up and find a partner and discuss something that we've learned in class, and we can walk around the room and monitor their discussions to get an idea of how well they understand what we're teaching them.
So we hope that you enjoy these examples of our students in action.
Thank you.
During this lesson, students were presenting their research projects on famous African Americans.
In the hall, so make sure you look at those. But today, while we share most of the projects, you're going to be taking some notes of some interesting things that you're learning about these people. All the people are either sports people, someone in the arts like music, for example, or they're historical or a political person that did things for the government and that changed history. So Miss Walker is going to have you doing a little exit ticket when you leave today. So you're going to have some information. You're going to have to know some facts about these people, okay? So as you call people up, you're going to pay very close attention to their research and their hard work, and you're going to take some notes, and you'll be sharing some of that information with you as well. Okay? All right. Whoa. Look at that. Tell us about your papa. This person won this in 1960 for his achievement in literature. So literature, poetry. Who could it be?
Okay, so we're going to conclude with the exit ticket today, and what you're going to do is you're going to take your sticky note, and each person, you're going to think about...
Students are being assessed by using an exit ticket. They're being asked to write down one interesting fact that they've learned and placing their exit ticket in the correct category.
Select one interesting fact that you've learned, and you're going to also write that down on your sticky note. Once you've done that, as you gather your things to leave, you're going to decide what's the best category for that person. Should they be under sports, arts, or historical/political? And you're going to put that sticky note in the correct category. So look over your notes and select one famous African American and an interesting fact that you learned today. Okay? Go.
Don't forget to write your name on your ticket as well.
Here. If you need to have your name, the person that you selected, and one interesting fact. Sure everyone's in the right category.
No arts yet, huh? No musicians or poets or writers. So it looks like they did a pretty good job. Did you notice we only have one person in the arts, and it looks like I didn't quite get that right.
Right, she wrote Maggie Walker that she wrote poetry, but that's incorrect.
Yeah, but other than that,
Most of them, Jackie Robinson, that was sports, that's correct.
I like Jackie Robinson.
Yeah, quite a bit.
They got Martin Luther King, Maggie
Walker, Frederick Douglass.
I think they did a pretty good job with that. Overall, yeah.
Do a comma activity that we've done before.
In this activity, students are asked to correctly punctuate a sentence with macaroni noodles to assess their knowledge of comma rules.
And So as you rotate among the tables, you're going to practice putting the commas in the right places. Okay?
Remember, is every sentence going to need a comma? No. Some might have no commas. Some might have 3 commas. Some might have 1. So you really have to think about it and talk about it at your table as a team.
And when you hear the music stop, you will rotate to the next station. Okay, we'll come around and check your work, check your commas, and make sure that they're in the right place.
Well, oh, come on. Comma? No. Book challenge, book. Then you can play making book books.
Teachers rotate among the groups of students to determine which students may be struggling and provide assistance.
Right. So you have 3
Alright, so let's see how we did. Let's go over these quickly together. Like our Sunday thing here. I slept in my pajamas and put ice cubes in the toilet because I heard that would make it snow and I wouldn't have to go to school. How many commas do you think you need? Here, hold up your fingers. There is 1 comma. Who can tell us where it goes? I slept in my pajamas. So put ice cubes in the toilet would be an independent clause? Remember, just because you see the word "and," that doesn't mean that's where it goes. Yes. Right, because I wouldn't have to go to school is an independent clause. Very good. So that was tricky because you had 2 ands, but you only needed a comma before you did it. Next one.
What? It's the same as what? I'm good?
During this lesson, students are given a pre-assessment about honesty to prepare for a writing assignment.
Think about it, because this has to do with some of the writing we're going to be doing. So we're going to be writing about honesty and friendship. I want you guys to think a little bit about honesty and friendship. So we're going to do a little survey, and it's a survey where you're going to have to move around. Okay? So we're going to play 4 corners. We're going to give you some situations, and if you absolutely would do what we said, you would come stand over in this area. Maybe, you're not sure, but maybe you would go over there. Probably not, you would go over there. And no way you would go over there. So wait till we give you the whole scenario before you move. You ready? Okay. Just to get you warmed up. You go to the store. The cashier at the store mistakes your $5 bill for a $10 bill, and she gives you $5 too much change. Do you tell her? Go. Right hand up if you're listening, please. Right, hands down, but keep listening. So for our warm-up today, we are going to do a body sort to see what you remember about the
During this assessment, students are asked to sort themselves based on type, definition, and examples of text structure.
Sort yourself by text structure. So each of you will put yourselves in groups. You'll have 1 text structure in orange, the definition of the text structure in blue, and 2 examples of the text structure in green. Okay, so that's what you should have in your group. Okay, so we're going to pass those out to you now. That says.
All right, hands up again if you're listening. Hands down if you're listening. So when the music starts, you're going to put yourselves into your groups. How many in each group? 4. You've got the type of text structure, definition, and 2 examples. If you're looking for your group members, where do you go? In the middle. And once you've found your group, where do you go? All right, so get your partner. Wait for the music to start. Go.
Teachers are able to assess students' mastery of text structure based on how quickly and successfully they are able to find their group.
Alright, good job. It looks like most of us got with our groups in one song. If you can spread around to separate yourselves so we can tell who's in which group, that would be awesome. So let's take a look at what you have in each group quickly. So this group says their problem solution. It describes something that needs to be corrected and how it can be fixed. Thumbs up if you think that's right. I think that's right. So you had, let's just read one of your examples. It says our yard was covered with dirty leaves. We raked them up and bagged them. Is that a problem and solution? Yes. Yes, I think it is. Thumbs up. You had chronological order and sequence, and that tells events in time order. Is that right? Yes. Thumbs up, I think so. One of your examples is first I brushed my teeth, then I brushed my hair, finally I went to bed. That's correct, and you have your key words in there, first, then, finally. Good, and our next group we have cause and effect, and it says describe something that makes something else happen. Thumbs up or down for that one. Excellent, one example, I forgot to set my alarm clock. I missed the bus and was late for school. Is that a cause and effect? Thumbs up or down? Excellent job.